This is prescriptions. Every physiotherapy prescription you've created in one place. Search finds a prescription by patient name or diagnosis. The 4 quick filters, all, today, this week, and pending WhatsApp, narrow the list down. The table shows patient, diagnosis, number of RX entries, doctor, date, and WhatsApp status. Click the eye icon on any row to open the full record. To create a new one, click New Physio RX, top right. Step 1. Chief Complaints. Search and select the patient. Now click Dictate and speak the complaint naturally, like this. Main complaint is lower back pain with left sciatica for 3 weeks after lifting a heavy box. Pain locations are lower back, left glute, and left calf. Functional triggers are prolonged sitting, forward bending, and climbing stairs. Symptoms are worse in the morning and improve slightly after walking. Intake complaint label is lower back pain with left sciatica. Idara transcribes that in real time and autofills the intake complaint label, selects the pain location chips, the functional trigger chips, and drops the rest into additional subjective notes. Take a second to review it, adjust anything by hand if needed, then click Proceed to Examination. Step 2. Examination. Click Dictate again. Joint positioning shows mild anterior pelvic tilt and reduced lumbar lordosis. Range of motion. Lumbar flexion 40 degrees with pain, extension 10 degrees with pain. Muscle strength. Left hip abductors grade 4/5. Core endurance reduced. Additional findings. Left straight leg raise positive at 50 degrees. And joint positioning, range of motion, muscle strength grading, and the notes field all fill in automatically. Click Proceed to Investigations. Step 3. Investigations. Dictate. X-ray lumbar spine shows mild L4 to L5 disc space narrowing. MRI shows posterior disc bulge at L4 to L5 with left foraminal narrowing. Blood tests, ESR and CRP are within normal limits. No red flag investigation findings. X-ray findings, MRI findings, blood test reports, and notes are populated. If imaging wasn't done yet, you can request it later in Step 6 instead. Click Proceed to Diagnosis. Step 4. Diagnosis. Dictate. Diagnosis is lumbar disc herniation with left lumbar radiculopathy. ICD code M51.1. Primary diagnosis and the ICD-10 code. Both fill in. This is the one required field in the whole wizard. So if it's left empty, Idara blocks the save later and tells you exactly what's missing. Click Proceed to Treatment Plan. Step 5. Treatment Plan. Dictate. Treatment goal is return to pain-free walking for 30 minutes and desk sitting for 45 minutes within 6 weeks. Modalities. IFT, interferential therapy. For 15 minutes, 3 sessions per week. Manual therapy for 20 minutes, 3 sessions per week. Exercise therapy for 25 minutes, 5 sessions per week. Plan total sessions 18, sessions per week 3, estimated duration 6 weeks. Additional notes, start with pain modulation in week 1 and week 2, then progressive core stabilization and graded loading. Treatment goal, the modalities table, session tracking and additional notes are all filled, though you can always add a modality manually with Add Modality if you'd rather not dictate it. Click Proceed to Advice and HEP. Step 6. Advice and Home Exercise Program. Dictate. Home exercises. Prone press-ups, 3 sets, 10 reps, 2 times per day. Bridge, 3 sets, 12 reps, 1 time per day. Cat-camel, 2 sets, 15 reps, 2 times per day. Ergonomic advice. Maintain neutral spine and use lumbar support while sitting. Icing instructions. Ice pack for 10 minutes after exercises and hot pack for 10 minutes before exercises. New imaging requests, none currently. General instructions. Avoid forward bending with load and continue daily walking. Follow up after 7 days. The exercise rows. Ergonomic advice. Icing and hot pack instructions. Imaging requests and general instructions all populate. And the follow-up date auto sets from what you said. Today plus 7 days. Send prescription via WhatsApp is ticked by default, so the patient gets it the moment you save. Click Confirm and Send. And there it is, back in the list, with WhatsApp already marked as delivered. Click the eye icon to open the full record anytime. Patient details, diagnosis, every step you just dictated, all in one page. From here, you can resend via WhatsApp, print it, or just close the panel.